Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this astronaut in space. For this, you will need a 6.2 centimeter radius cardboard circle which I have cut from kg cardboard. You will need a spring, a face and 4 strips, a sheet for the hands and feet, and you will need 2.5 centimeter width by 10 centimeter length, 1.5 centimeter width by 10 centimeter length, and a 0.5 centimeter width by 6 centimeter length strips. So now you have to take your pencil. You will have to draw the background. So, draw it and draw another line like this. Make a strip. Now we will have to make the land. Now we'll just have to draw stars as circles in random places. Like that. And now you will have to color it. This portion will be dark blue, this will be green, and this stripe here will be light blue, and this will be in black. I have already made one. I have used color pencils. You can use crayons or paint or anything you want. Now, take your 2.5 centimeter by 10 centimeter strip. You will have to roll it like this. You have to roll it like this and paste it. You will get it like this. And now, take your 1.5 centimeter width by 10 centimeter length and roll it in the same way, and you will get a round. This round is for the circle here, and this is for the body. And now this one you will just have to make dots like this, as the same you have done on the body. This will be the band here. Now I will show you how to make this spring. Take 2 strips, take your glue and put some glue here like this. Some glue. Take your second strip and paste it on top like this. There. And now fold the bottom one up and the side down, then side. You have to keep doing this until you have done it until you have done half of both the strips. When you do this, you will see that it is forming. You will see that the spring is forming. So keep doing it like this. And now, when you have finished doing half of the strips, take your glue and paste the last one like this. You have to paste it on like this. Take your scissors and cut off the excess. There. And now you have seen, you have got it. Now you should make 4 of them. these will be the hands and legs. Now you should also make a small one so that when you stick the head, you can make it bounce like this. And then should take the normal sheet and draw the hands that and the same one on the other side. Like that. And now you will have to draw the feet. The feet is just an oval like that. Oops, this is too thin. There. And now when you cut it out, you will have your hands and feet ready. So now let us start sticking everything. First, you will take your body and make sure that the colors are on the left side. Take your glue and put it like that. And then paste it. Make sure that most of the body is in the black part. Press it from inside and not from the top. Like this. And now take one of your springs, put some glue on, take your feet and stick it on like that. Guys, you can press everything together. You don't have to worry because it will open again on its own. And now stick it similarly with all the hands and the feet. Like that. There. Now I have finished sticking the feet and now I will stick the hands. There we go. Now the other hand. Each. Like that. Guys, make sure that you stick both the thumbs facing in both the directions and not in one direction. Now take your legs, put some glue on and stick it right here at the bottom of the body. You can press it like that. Like that. Now take your other leg and stick it in the same way on this side. And now we should stick the hands. Some glue on the bottom there. And then stick it right here and press it down like that. Then open it. Then take your other hand, stick it in the same manner on the other side. Like that. Good. will take our ring like this and put some glue over here and then put some glue here like this. And then stick it right here like this. Now guys, we are almost done. Now take your other spring and guys, you will have to draw the face on this. I have drawn the eyes and mouth like that. Now take your spring and then stick the face on top like this. Good. And now all you have to do is stick this in here like that. So let's stick it. Some glue. Put some glue and stick it right in the center. And stick it straight like that. And then press it down. Okay, now we have a bouncy face. Now we will have to take our band. Make sure that the red spot is facing towards the left as well. Now put the glue on both the sides. And then paste it like this. You can use something like the scissors to press it from inside, that and on the other side. Now we are almost done. We just have to take a strip and roll it around the pencil like that. Roll it and then tighten it like that. And then when you remove it, you will have a spring. Not exactly a spring, a spiral. So then put glue here. Some glue there. Oops, too much. Some glue there. Then stick it over here like that. And then you'll have to stick it here. So put some glue here too. Some glue here. Stick it on like that. There. Now, since the hands are stuck, you can pull out your hands a bit like that. And there. We have finished making the astronaut, guys. It's really easy making it. These two. It's really easy making them. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.